Hello everybody. My fourth video, another last 5 questions on time and distance. For questions, see the description. Questions are written in description. So, 16th question, a train speed past the pole in 15 seconds. Platform 100 meter long in 25 seconds. Find the length of train passes. Okay. So now, first he gave a train is passing the pole in 15 seconds. First let us write about the pole. Let the length of train x, speed of train assume as y meters per second, x meters length. Now the distance, the speed, we know distance by time, no? So here speed we took with y, distance x, time 15 seconds he said. Now similarly in case of platform also let us write. So the length of train is crossing 100 meter platform. So x plus 100 we will write the distance covered. By time is 25 seconds and speed of train same y. Now let us equate these two. X plus 100 by 25 is equal to x by 15. Now if we simplify, we get the answer as nearly answer is equal to 150 meters. Option B is correct one. Now next, a person travels P to Q at a speed of 40 km per hour and again he return back with an increasing speed of 50%. He is asking to find the average of his journey, the average speed of his journey. So average speed we write with the formula 2xy by x plus y, 2xy by x plus y, right? So now here x he gave as 40 km per hour. So now y he went towards P to Q, right? And again from Q to P. Q to P, how is coming in its return journey? It is increased by his speed 50%. How much he increased? 50% he increased, right? Now here if you want to take the average, in 40 km is the initial speed, no? So in 40 what is the half value? 40 by 2, 20. So now while returning, what will be the total speed covered? 40, one is the initial speed and he is increasing by 20, means half of the 40 he is traveling while returning back. Okay, so half of the speed he covered is 20, means in 40 half of the speed is 20. So totally while returning back, with how much speed he is coming? 60 km per hour speed he is coming while going 40. While returning, it is increased by 50% he said. Means when he is going from P to Q, he travelled half of the distance, no? Half of the speed, no? That is 40 by 2, 20. So now that 20 plus this total distance covered 40, we get 60 km per hour. So here to here 40 km per hour. But while returning back, it has increased by 50%. Means the total distance covered, what happens? One is the 40 plus next 40 by 2 we will take while returning back. Half of the speed he covered and half in 40 is 20. So 60 km per hour. So average speed becomes 2 into 40 into 60 by 40 plus 60. So that is 4800 by 100. Answer is 48 km per hour. Option 3 is the right option. Now next, the 18th question, a train covers a speed of 12 kilometers in 10 minutes, right? And it is taken 8 seconds to pass a telegraph post. Then he is asking to calculate length of the train. So what he is saying, train is covering the distance of how much? 12 kilometer in 10 minutes of time. And if it takes 6 seconds to pass the telegraph pole, then what is the length he is asking. So first let us take a speed. Speed means what? Distance by time. What is distance? 12 kilometer by time is 10 minutes. So this is 12 kilometers by 10 into 60 I will write. That is, here I converted into kilometer per hour. So here 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 hours. So here I wrote 10 by 60. So it becomes 12 by 10 into 60. 60 comes into the numerator. 10 by 60. Here, or let us. Now next. This values comes out to be 72 kilometer per hour. That value comes out to be 72 kilometer per hour. And now let us convert into meter per second. So 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So 20 meters per second. Right? Now the length of train. Speed into time, that is 20 into 6, that is 120 meters. Speed we got it as 20, and time he gave in the problem itself only 6 seconds. So now have we got the length of the train as 120 meters, right? Now next, the 19th question, two trains travel in opposite direction at 36 km per hour, 45 km per hour. A man sitting in slower train passes faster train in 8 seconds. One man is sitting in slower train, other in faster train. So for him, the faster train passes him in 8 seconds. So he is asking to calculate the length of that faster train. Okay. So first let us write a relative speed. So 36 plus 45, that is equal to kilometer per hour. That is 81 kilometer per hour. 81 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That is 45 by 2 meter per second we will get. So length, speed into time. Speed 45 by 2. Time 8 seconds he gave in the problem. So 180 meters. Now the last problem. A train crosses platform 100 meters long in 60 seconds at a speed 45 km per hour. Time taken by train to cross electric pole he is asking. What he said? A train is crossing a platform of 100 meters at a speed of, how much he said? 45 km per hour. Now I am converting this first into meter per second. So it becomes 25 by 2 meters per second. Right, after simplification. Now next, the length of train let us calculate. So length is speed into time. Speed 25 by 2 into, now time. What is the time he gave? 60 seconds he gave. So 60 seconds. That is equal to 750 meters. Okay. Now length of train. Length of train. So 750 minus, what is the platform length? 100. Means 650 meters. So a person in 8 seconds. 8 only? Sorry. A person has crossed 650 meters length in 60 seconds. Now how much time it will take to cross a electric pole? Now time taken to cross electric pole. That is equal to time means speed equal to distance by time. No, time equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance? 650 meter. What is the speed we got? 25 by 2. That is equal to 650 by 25 into 2. Answer comes out to be 52 seconds. So by this I try to cover all the different problems on time and distance. So watch my part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 time and distance to get an complete idea about all the problems related to time and distance. Thank you.